So this is the third video for today. This is going over activity number 3 from yesterday. And this is the answers to the fill in the blank page, which was the last page of the CAMI document for the article, Why Does Matter Matter? So after reading that article, you were supposed to fill in the blanks on the last page. It did give you a word bank. You should have used every word in the word bank once. So we'll go through these together. The first question said the 3 basic properties of matter are, and that should have been volume, mass, and shape. If you put solid, liquid, and gas there, that was a common mistake a lot of people made. You didn't read the question carefully enough. It asked you for the basic properties of matter, not the basic states of matter. Properties of matter are ways that we could describe matter. So we could talk about its volume, how much space that matter is taking up. We could talk about its mass, how much of the matter there is, or we could talk about its shape, right? What shape that matter is currently in. So those would be the 3 basic properties. Number 2, all matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. We talked about that in Brain Pop as well, right? Atoms make up matter, matter makes up everything. Number 3, volume is the amount of space that matter takes up. You should know that. We did a long time on our volume unit. 4, mass is the amount of matter that an object has. And we would definitely use a scale or a triple beam balance to find the mass of something. We've practiced that before as well. Number 5, liquids take the shape of their container, right? They don't have a consistent or a constant shape. They take the shape of whatever they're in. Number 6, gases do not have a definite shape, mass, or volume, right? They're kind of constantly changing depending on how much space they have and how far they can spread out. Number 7, liquids do not have a definite shape, right? They take the shape of their container, but they do have a definite volume. Number 8, solids have a definite shape and a definite volume. Number 9, it asked you to look through the word bank and pick out the 2 examples of things that were solids, and that should have been a chair and ice. Number 10, it asked you to pick out the examples of liquids, and that should have been milk and juice. Number 11, it asked you to pick out the examples for gases, and those should have been oxygen and helium. And then number 12, it says solid ice is melting when it's changing into a liquid. That's the name of that phase change from a solid to a liquid, melting. So you should make sure that you have all of the correct answers on your document. Make sure that that is turned in. And just a reminder, your homework tonight is to complete those 2 Rocket Lit articles, which was activity number 4 yesterday, if you did not get a chance to finish them yesterday. If you finished them already, matter changes and it's not magic, it's a phase. Your homework today is already done. Otherwise, you're going to read those 2 Rocket Lit articles and you will answer those quizzes today for homework.